Okay, so I have already primed with my NYX Hydro Touch and the Professional on my nose and chin. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started with this like glowy bronzed goddess kind of tutorial thing. So I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, but the problem is I'm running out of it. So I have to like open it. Like it's like alright amount in there, it just won't like squirt out anymore. You know, so I'm just gonna kind of have to shove it on. Okay, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I need a mirror. I'm gonna use my Thirsty palette because it's a really handy size, frankly. This is about the only like glowy foundation I've got. So if you know any drugstore glowy foundations, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so for extra coverage on like blemishes and stuff, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. I've just got like, it's always my chin I have to put extra coverage on. I'm going to put like a fair bit because I have like one spot that's like lingering right here and then like scarring, and it's like really red because they were fairly recent. But I hate it. I don't know why I scar so easily. I don't really pick my spots that much, and that one's a new spot that's like huge. I always get one there, but I think that's hormonal because I'm due my period, which is fun. I'm not having a fun week when it comes to that general area of the anatomy, to be quite honest with you. I've been very unlucky, hence why I'm going out today. Because girls will know, if you've got any problems, you need cotton underwear. Do I have any? Like 2 pairs. So I have to go out just to buy cotton underwear. Isn't that fun? It's not even like fun underwear, I like buying underwear. It's not even fun underwear, it's just cotton underwear. Okay, for my under eyes I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer and just shove that under my eyes, you know, obviously. I am being a bit more quiet because A, my dad is upstairs, so I feel a bit self-conscious, and B, my mum is home. Today's Saturday. She came home yesterday afternoon. I'm very happy to have her home, so she is doing better. Thank God. I'm a complete mammy's girl. I don't do well without me mammy, you know. And I'm not ashamed to admit that. Okay, I'm going to set that with my Milani powder, just under my eyes. We want this to be a bit more glowy, so. Okay, next I'm going to go with the NYX Wonder Stick. And I'm going to contour my cheekbones. I'm going to kind of do the areas of my face slowly. I'm not going to put it all on everywhere and then do it. But I'm going to use the Expert Face brush on Real Techniques. Okay, so I'm going to set that with a fan brush and my Hoola bronzer. Just to kind of, well, also bronze at the same time, but just to set the cream. I'll take it down my neck as well, because right now my face is more tan than my neck. Just from spending time outside. It's really good. That was being sarcastic, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to take this kind of like peachy colour blush. I'm going to kind of, instead of just the apples of my cheeks, I'm going to take it up a bit as well. I'm going to be adding more bronzer later because it's going to be like a bronzed goddess kind of look. So we want a lot of bronzer. I'm going to just make sure that this face brush is clean. I'm going to tap it out. I want it to blend into the bronzer easily a bit. Okay, Okay, so because I want this to be gluey, I'm going to spray some Mario Badescu rose water on just to keep my face hydrated. And yes, I'm spraying a lot. I get confused as to why people set their face with that spray, because it's not designed to be a setting spray. It doesn't set your makeup. It's a facial spray. Like, it's skincare. It's meant to hydrate your skin and soothe your skin, not set your makeup. But each to their own. Whatever you want to do, you know. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to take this rose gold highlight and I'm going to get a smaller fan brush. You know, one of the little ones. All of my skin is doing really well today. It's just for some reason my nose is just like decided to not join the good skin day party. But oh well, that's fine. By the way, yes, I am in my pyjamas. I am wearing a nightie from Primark that says "chillin' like a villain." It's got Ursula on it. And I love it. I think it's really cool. Okay, what should we... Okay, so I forgot. I need to do my brows. So I did my brows, did my eyeshadow primer, and I've set that with just like the base colour that's in the Morphe 35p palette. And I'm like, I've got so much stuff here in front of me. I need to like move some stuff. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this like orangey shade as a transition colour. So I'm going to take, where's it gone? I'm going to take this crease brush and that shade and take that just above my crease. Okay, so I'm going to stick with these warmer shades. I'm not going to do too much on my eye, but I'm going to use this colour here. And I'm going to take this River 228 Luxe Crease brush. I'm going to pop that in the crease. And in the outer corner as well, actually. This isn't going to be like a big eye look, it's just going to be really simple. Just more for definition than anything else. Okay, so I want a little bit of shimmer, so I'm going to take just a fluffy brush and the one champagne shimmery colour in that palette, and I'm just going to pop that on the lid. Just lightly, I don't want it to be like in your face. Okay, so on a flat brush, I'm going to take that same brown, I'm going to run that under my eye, and then I'm going to blend that out with the transition colour that I used. Again, I said I was filming and my dad is mowing the lawn. Thanks, Dad. Okay, so I also did a winged liner with the NYX gel eyeliner in brown, number 2, because I just think it looks better for this look. I'm also going to take, where's my tiny brush? That's what I got. If I ever did merch, if I make it big, where's my tiny brush is going to be the first thing on a t-shirt. It's like all I say. I'm going to take that same highlighter I used before, and I'm going to use that as an inner corner highlight. Okay, so I'm going to curl my eyelashes real quick, and then I'm going to put the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara on. Okay, I'm going to line my lips with the Revlon Colourstay Lip Liner in Natural. Okay, then I'm going to use the lip gloss, the Intense Butter Gloss from NYX in Tres Leches. I don't know. Haven't a clue what that's actually called. Okay, so now I'm going to set with the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. Okay, and that's it for this look, like a bronze goddessy type. Summery thing. I don't know. If you enjoyed, hit the thumbs up. My hand just made a fart knife, that's fine. If you enjoyed, hit the thumbs up down below and also subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!